Alright, here's a Block Blast glitch that you can do right now. You want to enter classic mode and just refresh or click on replay here until you get vertical blocks. So here I'm just going to click on replay a bunch of times until I get 1 or 2 vertical blocks, just like that, and I'll come back once I get them. Okay, actually I just got them. So what we want to do now is place one to the very right here, just like that, and the other one's gonna be next to it, but do not fill out an entire line. Now the other block that you get, you can place whatever, just don't fill out the other slots. Now as you can see, what this does, it's gonna keep on giving us vertical blocks. So I'm just going to complete it like this and make sure you have 2 empty slots at all times. And again, you can put the extra block wherever you want. Now again, I will just repeat this process as you can see, and I'll fill it out, and it keeps on giving me vertical blocks, and I'll just keep on repeating the same process like so, and basically this is just going to trigger the same mechanism. So like that, boom, and I'll fill it out and I'll place this here. And as you can see, that's basically how it works. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.